All right, onto reporting. And this is one of the areas in HubSpot that really shines with their tools. Not only out of the box, because I like the out of the box options, but also the ability to use the report builder. Now, sometimes people will say, I feel like I'm hitting my head against a brick wall. And yes, we do feel like that when we started. But you know what? Once you get over it, once you jump that brick wall, it is fantastic. Your ability to create reports, to save yourself so much time. I was shocked the other day, Craig, when one of the people we talked to that did a quick check said they've got people in sales that spend a whole day putting reports together. I'm like, what are they doing? And this is the whole thing, right? Just the ability to create reports, have it scheduled on a dashboard, send it to the people that need to get it every week. Don't waste your time. Just make sure the data is getting in correctly and let the system do the rest for you. So do you want to highlight some of the reports?
I think you're right. Custom reports can take a little while to get your head around. But before you get to custom reports, you can just start with the general page at a page level. So you go to a landing page and then you can have a look at the performance tab. Got a screenshot here. Just shows you page metrics. You can actually look at those page metrics over time. How are they going over the months or years? And then broken down by channel or source channel. So that's really handy. That's at a page level. Then some of the out-of-the-box reports for around traffic, also really good. So you can drill into sources, locations, device types, all of that kind of thing. Again, the source where they came from, broken down. And any of these things, you can hover over bar charts to get a breakdown. You can drill into any of them. But here's the big differentiator. You see contacts and customers. And people will say, oh, should I use HubSpot's own inbuilt analytics or Google Analytics? The answer, of course, is both. Because Google Analytics gives you far more flexibility, drilling into custom events on a page. Although you can use marketing events in HubSpot, a bit harder to set up, but Google Analytics, you can drill on into all of that, mix and match. But the big benefit of HubSpot Analytics, you're tying it back to contacts. And of course, once you've got a contact, then you can see the company and then the associated revenue. It's the full end-to-end customer journey, where they started from and then how much revenue they ended up in. And I will challenge anyone to give me that same level of contact level insight using, say, WordPress plus Google Analytics. You just can't do it. HubSpot, you can. Use them both. Get to know each of them best. And then finally, custom reports, as you said. And custom reports, the great thing, you can join across various objects, such as landing pages, web pages, blog posts, web activities, etc.
And excitedly talking about AI again, and the AI-assisted report builder. This just works on a single object, right? That's the first thing. It can't do what the custom report builder does, but it is a great place to start if you just want to use it on a single object and get some information. Again,
have you had much success with this, Ian?
Not much, Craig. But I also say I feel just like with any of these AI tools that we're using, the better we are at giving it the prompt, the better the information we'll get out the other end. And so I believe it's only going to get better, but this is a great start. So don't be afraid to use it. It could feel like hitting your head against a brick wall, or there are filters or things that are missing in the screenshot you'll see. But it is a bit underwhelming at the minute, but I'm sure it'll get better. But just be aware
I can see where it's
actually
going.
there.
I can see where it's going. It's a hard problem to solve. I can see where it's going.
Correct.
I think they'll get there.